Welcome to Acuity Training, one of the UK's largest and Power BI training providers. In this short video, we'll introduce our Power BI training courses in London and show you how we help you transform raw data into actionable business insights. So why train with us? Our Power BI training is award-winning, small and friendly, with an average class size of just 4, so no one gets left behind. Every course is hands-on, built around practical exercises and real-world examples, and it's CPD-certified. Every course also includes 6 months of free post-course support. So what is Power BI? Power BI is Microsoft's data analytics and business intelligence platform. It connects hundreds of data sources and uses Power Query and Power BI Desktop to turn that raw data into interactive reports and dashboards. Its primary function is to turn your raw data into easily actionable insights. Let's look at the courses. Our introduction to Power BI course is a one-day course for complete beginners. It covers all of Power BI's basics: importing data from various sources, ways to manage your data, creating data visualizations, and publishing and sharing reports. Our Advanced Power BI course is a 2-day course for existing users who want to go further. You'll create and customize dashboards and reports, use drill down and drill through, work with custom tooltips and bookmarks, and manage data governance and security. Our Advanced Power BI course is a 2-day course for existing users who want to go further. You'll create and customize dashboards and reports, use drill down and drill through, work with custom tooltips and bookmarks, and manage data governance and security. Every public course is tailored around a pre-course questionnaire, so the day fits exactly what you need. And we back every course with a 100% money-back guarantee. To book your Power BI training, or to talk through the right course for you, get in touch today.